If we have more people like Mr. Dabo in Gambia, Gambia will be a better place. Everybody in society has a role to play.
Vision Development Foundation, under the leadership of Mr. Mamadou Dabo, donated 10 brand new computers, 10 brand new latest computers to the Gambia College. And on top of that, he also gave $100,000 to the Gambia College.
So that most of the Gambians should emulate from him, that if everybody can do what he is doing, I don't think that we will have poor people in this world.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our CEO, Mr. Mamadou Dabo, we wish to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to our office in Banjul. Today, as part of our program of activities, we have very important functions to do on behalf of the Management Board of Vision Development and on behalf of the Board of Directors of Vision Development. Today, we are going to do a presentation on support to education and disaster victims and the support to needy. This is the three forms that we are going to present this very important support to on behalf of our CEO, Mr. Mamadou Dabo. As you all know, since the advent of the COVID-19, Vision Development Foundation has been pioneering such support, but this one takes the direction of supporting those in the universities, in the colleges, and the tertiary institutions, and those community groups, and those disaster victims. Now, as you know, Mr. Mamadou Dabo is our CEO of the foundation, and the objective that he has in establishing this organization is to complement the efforts of the government and to give a support to those needy. And exactly since our inception, this is what we have been doing. And as we keep saying, it is very important for you guys to note that the contribution Mr. Dabo is doing in national development, it is definitely worth commending. And to especially those of you who are the beneficiaries, from across the board, we must all try to thank Mr. Dabo and appreciate the effort he's doing in any way possible. And today, to make the whole program very short, we will call the name of the beneficiaries and the institutions and the amount that you are going to receive. Of course, the whole presentation will be presenting $316,135,000 worth to different groups and the individual. This is the presentation we are coming to present to the beneficiaries on behalf of Mr. Mamadou Dabo. Of course, he himself is unavoidably absent because of the other engagement is not in town. But on behalf of Mr. Dabo himself, the family, and the organization, board members, Vision Development Foundation, we wish to take this opportunity, to thank all of you for appreciating what Mr. Dabo is doing, to come and receive this gesture. And our appeal to you will be this: please, let's try to put the good use of this gesture. We thank you very much. So we will now call on the first beneficiary, that's Ndaus Comprehensive Primary School, to come and receive $7,950. Aja Dabo is not here. Okay. Okay, if it's not here, somebody receive. Okay. We have Excellent Daycare and the Preparatory School. Aisat Dabo. Aisat Dabo, somebody can receive on his behalf. Okay, this. Okay, that's Aisat Dabo. Okay, thank you. We have Future Generation, Grace Institute of Professional Accounting, Ansumana, SB, Tanso, 26,380. We have University of the Gambia, Aisatun Jai, $20,000. Aïssatou Ndiaye, University of the Gambia. Kairaba Institute of Professional Studies. Kaba Dabo, $24,500. Gambia College, Amiso, $15,000. American International University, Lisa Njai, $20,000. Okay. Jaria Tusane, Gambia College, $11,000. De Dabo, $5,000. Okay, De Dabo. Thank you. We have Ramos Suso, $5,000. Okay, Ramos Suso, thank you. We have Mati M. Jane, $50,000. Okay, we have Jake Society, $6,000. We have Jara Karantava, Kamben Kafo, Mama Dabo, $4,000. Thank you. Very quickly, we'll call some few of the beneficiaries, but we'll select only 3 to come and say a few words on behalf of, your institution, yourself, or whatsoever, just to thank Mr. Dabo and the Vision Development Foundation. Ngamodo soto minsi kumadanta fono kawo kante simen fono.
Ñu ngi nuyu wa Vision Development Foundation di leen gërëm di leen santa di ñaanal Modou Touro Dabo ak foundation bi ak ñi ko jàppale yépp yalla na leen yalla fay yalla defal leen jàmm yalla sutural leen ñu ngi taxaw doomi Gambia di taxaw réew mi foo xam ne yàqu na si wàllu njànga wàllu ndimbale ñu ngi cee taxaw bu baax a baax a baax den ñun amuñ dara lu ñu wax su du wax Modou Touro Dabo ne yal na ko yàlla dimbale yal na ko yàlla jàppale yal na yàlla yokk man-man bi yokk kattan bi di leen wax ne jërë ngeen jëf on behalf of Jek Society Moussa Ndiaye moo leen wax ne jërë ngeen jëf
mbal be konton na mfama Modou Touro Dabo ba konton na baake mbatten tulo mba jeyra be duwala e baake alama Allah taala man so fanko samba nyaato enna be so yurwani nyaato tal dolo fotten troni jeyro jara karanta bankol nga konton baake be duwala e fana.
I want to say a big thank you to Uncle Modou Touro Dabo with his foundation and anyone behind everything that he's doing. He has done a great job in the country and everybody is seeing it. I say a big thank you to him.
As an NGO, we have to, to see the challenges that the people are encountering, and then from there, we'll be able to at least support. Though we cannot eradicate poverty, but we can alleviate it. So that's the idea in the area of education, health and social services. So that's why some time back, in about 2 years ago, our able board of directors, with Mr. Touro Dabo as the CEO, we were able to plan and develop a 5-year strategic plan. And that plan, because we cannot do all. And as an organization, many people, they come with different problems. So they decided, our board of directors, they sat down and decided to come up with a strategic plan. And the strategic plan will spell out our areas of intervention, and from the anybody who comes in for help, so that we'll be able to tell the things that we do and the things that we don't do, so that we will not be sort of saying that I send my letter, say now I didn't have anything from the people. And we have extended our hand in length and breadth of the country. And the Vision Development Foundation, our funds are solely and wholly supported by our able CEO. We never had any support from our side except our CEO. So every day I'm receiving a lot of requests, and from there, periodically, our board of directors and our management team will start down and structurize and make a short list, and from there we call for a presentation as we have today. Because Mr. Dabo always, his challenges are to see everybody happy in life. So that's his challenges. But in life you cannot do all. And checking the growing rapid of the population, so it's also another challenge to government and everybody. And then they benefited today, and then I think they have what they acquired from the foundation will go a long way in their life, in terms of sustainable development, in the area of education, health, and the like. So for that note, we thank the beneficiaries, and we hope that they will put the money in good use, And then at least when they, also we calling them also to write an appreciation letter, because Mr. Trabo, what he only wants in vision development is thank you. So thank you will give us, more courage, at least to support more people.
We want the beneficiaries also to come up with calculated measures so that, many of the problems that they've been facing will just become a thing of the past, because giving support constantly might not last. But if you have an idea so as how you'll be able to complement that help, I think that's the most important thing.
Li sa buñ ko defee rek dafa mel ni beneen yokkute la si Vision Development Foundation ndig su ma nee kontaante rek boobu moom ñun saay bu nekka suñu ooyee ne kaay leen dimbale nit ñi rek dañ dee gën a kontaan ndi biñ ko commencé léegi dafa yàgga commencé ko depuis si jëli ji ay galaas ay jën si weeri koor di ko jox nit ñi ay xari tobaski ay yaapa ay xaalis di dimbale nit ñi si ñi nga xam ne dañ am laka-laka di dimbale nit ñi nga xam ne ñu ngay jànga ba am na ñoo xam ne sax dañoo wëlbati ki ñëw ne la salaamaaleykum nga ne maaleykum salaam ñu ne yéen a ma feeloon jërë ngeen jëf soo xam nga loolu moom soo ko amee saay bu nekk rek kontaante bu rëy la nga dajee nit xamee la ko nga feel ko mu ñëw ne la yow yaa ma feeloon loolu moom wax dëgg ne la kontaante bu rëy la di si ñaanal suñ CEO bi Modou Turo Darboe di ko ñaanal yal na ko fi yàlla yàggal maa ngi wax ñi nga xam ne ñoom lañ dimbale xaalis bi fiñ ko jëlee xamuñ ko xaalis biñ la jox te liggéeyloo ko dafa neex a lekk de waaye nag soo ko defee fi laa njëriñ ëllëg si biiru di nga njëriñ sa boppa njëriñ sa njaboot njëriñ sa réew yow tam di nga gis keneen ku sona nga mun koo jàppale waaye soo jëlee xaalis bi instead nga def ko at the right place nga commencé di ko noos di ko lekka yaxal nga sa boppa yaxal nga sa njaboot yaxal nga beneen doomi réew boo xam ne yaa ngi ko war na jàppale man leen naa wax ne ñoom ñu jox xaalis bi tey nañ ko dugal into good use pour ëllëg ñoom tam ñu mun a jàppale ñeneen.
No one knows deep down I'm sad. I can't lie, death is on my mind. What's my purpose here in this life? Who knows if Allah is watching me? Is faith really alive? But I won't let these dark thoughts get to me. I fight the negativity and rise. If I just believe